practice mo to, boy.
Kaya naka-inertia rin siya. They have brain.
They have brain bomb?
Hindi. Kaya Tesla siya.
Oh. Wait, what the fuck? They have 2 Heron Spear. They're mostly melee, so expect them to brawl inside. What? We can clap hard in Narco. Just make sure your skills drop. Come southeast, let's bait. Come southeast. Let's bait. Finish. Okay, come northwest now. Back southeast. Get ready to turn, boys. Hold on me. They don't want to cross the choke. What the fuck? Hey, come south. Let's hold them. Tell me if they're coming on.
Wala.
It's okay. Hold on me. They're coming. Walk mark. Gumagalaw ba?
Gumagalaw.
Okay. Walk north. Ready boys. Walk inside. Boys, walk inside. Your defense is ready now. Yo, defend. Wait, defend. Walk in. Look, my ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Walk in. Walk northwest. Brawl inside. They have CD. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. They have CD. Hard spread. Kamis. Out of the bridge. Out. They have CD. Defend. Yeah, walk in. Look, on top of me. Wait. Look east. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Hit.
Nice.
End brawl. They have CD. They club now. Walk northeast. They club now. Defend. Defend. Walk in. 5 seconds. Look my ground. On top of me. Ready boys. Look on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top. On top of my crowd. Kamis. Brolis. MCD. They clump everyone. They clump. Trigger if die. They clump now. They have CD. They have CD. They fucking clump. Hard spread. They miss. Look my crowd. Fight me. Look, fight me. Ready? East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, me. Brawl west. They have CD. They can still clump. They clump. Hard spread. They have CD. Walk west. They have CD. You on the collar. On the skull mark. Running. Catch and kill. Catch kill.
Oh, yung ano, call ko. Gago.
Catch kill and loot. See, I told you boys, we can do hard.
Basag?
Oy, tira nyo naman ako ng pots, boy. Tirahan nyo naman ako ng pots.
Basag
Loot. Hindi ko alam, boy. Oy, Congress. Gago! My ground, 5, 4, 3, 2. Gago kayo, boy. Gago, pre. Yo, come to me. Everyone, come to me. Come north. Chase. Gago, pre. North, chase. North, si Finis. Tangina. Nalot yung ano niya, pre.
Tinitog yung ano, tinitog po lang nakaglove. Upan.
Ang lalim nyo naman kasi ata, pre. May 47 na naman. Catch my skull mark. Chase him. Yung skull mark, pre. Patayin yung skull mark. Oh my god, bro. Nice. Stay together na, stay together. Gago, finish na loot yung pera mo, pre. Gago, late ko na nakita, boy. Mount up.
Hindi gagi, ano, ulit lang ako. Gagawa ko assignment.
Sige, pre, sige. Come northeast. AK-47 na naman. This guys, man. Tapos ang dead mo yung go, nag-loot kasi ako.